Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by preparing the single audio source and the host you will use. Pick one file and one host app to avoid conflicts. Once chosen, import the file into the host and set the track to loop if needed, because the only way keeps one managed instance. Make sure the host's output matches your system output and mute other programs. This prevents double audio or ducking. Now set initial level to -12 dB as a safe default before we move to balancing and routing. Next, you process and route the background track so it supports, not competes. Apply light EQ to remove 100 to 300 Hz buildup and gentle compression to control transients. This keeps the music steady under speech. Once done, set the background level between -10 and -18 dB relative to your main audio, then route the host's output to the system or stage bus you use for final mix. Make sure stereo versus mono choice matches your destination. Mismatches alter perceived level. Finish by testing the mix with real speech so you hear interactions. Perform level checks and adjust fade curves for natural entrances and exits. Automate volume changes for scene shifts and add a subtle high pass on voice tracks if muddiness appears. Once everything is set, record or stream and monitor live meters for clipping. If audio disappears or glitches, first check exclusive audio mode, sample rate mismatches, and that the host's output is correctly routed. Fix those and restart the host only if necessary.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.